In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in Zoho CRM. Whether you're an experienced user or just getting started, generating tailored reports can be a powerful way to analyze your data and optimize your workflow. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already, open your Zoho CRM dashboard. You'll want to direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left side. Here, you'll find a menu labeled Reports. Click on it to begin. This menu is where all your reporting capabilities are housed, giving you easy access to create and manage insights across different modules in Zoho CRM. Once you're in the Reports section, your next step is to click on New Report. This button is usually located somewhere near the top right of the page, making it easy to spot. By selecting this, you're opening the gateway to generate a custom report tailored to your specific needs. After initiating a new report, your first task is to select a primary module. This step allows you to determine which set of data you'll be focusing on. Think of modules as the categories or types of information like leads, contacts, or accounts. Carefully choose the module that aligns with the information you need to analyze or present. With the primary module selected, you'll want to click Continue to move forward in the process. If you encounter a helpful pop-up or tips from Zoho, click Got It to dismiss it and proceed. These tips are intended to guide you, but for now, our focus is on setting up your custom report. Now let's broaden your report's scope by including more data relationships. You need to choose a parent module and a child module. This functionality in Zoho enables the linking of related elements, such as connecting contacts to their respective accounts. Selecting these modules helps create a comprehensive data picture. You will also decide on the relationship type between these modules. Consider how these data sets interact in your business process. Is there a one-to-many or many-to-one relationship? Clarifying this ensures that your report will reflect accurate relationships and insights. After setting up your modules and relationships, click on Leads or the module relevant to your report. Then click Done to finalize these settings. These actions confirm the choices you've made, locking in the structure of your report. Next, you click Continue to proceed with report customization. Now focus on clicking Columns to define what specific information or fields your report will display. This could be anything from contact names to the status of a deal. Selecting these columns allows you to tailor the report's data presentation. Once you're satisfied with your column choices, hit the Save button. This saves all your configuration preferences so far. You'll name your report by clicking Report Name, and if necessary, add contextual details under Description to clarify its purpose to other users. Finally, select a folder where the report will be saved, then choose to either save or run it immediately. This final step provides flexibility in handling your report, whether you're ready for immediate use or saving the setup for later. And there you have it, a detailed guide to creating tailor-made reports in Zoho CRM. With these reports, you're empowered to make insightful, data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more Zoho CRM tips.